Well, apparently sometime last night, the bottom of this raised bed, the one I bought at Costco that has a self-watering reservoir, collapsed and everything fell out. Sadly, this is the bed that had all my little baby foxglove in it. So I'm going to have to try and recover all the baby foxgloves here while trying to transfer them into another reservoir. I was able to take the top off of it, so now I can access the dirt and my baby foxglove more easily. I'm going to transfer as much as I can into these two little plastic planters. Trying to unearth all my babies here. They've been really hit hard. So from there, these are all the piles of babies I took out, so I need to plant these guys in here. I threw in some slow release fertilizer for them as well. I noticed as I was pulling out the babies that they were really attached to the Oya, and I can see here all the growth of roots around the Oya. So I guess it did what they say in the marketing. Now I just need to move more of the soil into this other reservoir so I can plant them up. Well, the entire area is now cleaned back up. Move that off to the side, and we've got the seedlings anyway placed in these two containers. They're still somewhat clumped together. I did start trying to separate them a little so that they had a little more space, but they're still quite a few bunched together because it's getting dark and it's really cold outside. All right, well, I finally finished. It's after 6 o'clock at night and I got them all separated. I have all the little babies somewhat separated and planted. It was hard to see what I was doing out here since it's so dark. But I just wanted to share the final results of my attempt to save the foxglove seed I started earlier this year. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.